children, how are you? Fine? Okay. Now I welcome you all in our English class of chapter 7, video number 3. We are now doing chapter 7, the story of a cloud, video number 3. Okay. Now in our previous class, in video number 1 and video number 2, we have completed reading of the lesson and explanations, then word meanings, hard words. 2 times I have given you half of hard words, and I think everyone have written the hard words 3 times each, isn't it? And you have learned the hard words also. Very good. And the word meanings also. You have to learn the word meanings also. So we have done everything in video 1 and 2. We have read the lesson and I explained it to you. If you have any problem, you can go through the lesson 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and you will understand. Okay? Reading is very good. Very good. Okay, children? And now, today in our today's video, that is video number 3, we are going to do the question answers of checkpoints and the I understand section. Question number A, B, C of I understand section. Now, what you have to do for that? Just go and take out your book. Your book, pencil, eraser. Which book? See, this course book. Your course book. Take out your course book, pencil and eraser. Hurry up, children. Now, this chapter 7, the story of cloud. This we have done in our previous video, I connect section, and then this I read section also we have done. We have done the word bodies and we have written the hard words. So today we will start from here, the question answers of checkpoint. So write here today's date. Today is 21/8/20. Everyone write your classwork. All are ready with your book, pencil and eraser? Very good. Now see. First question. On which day was the sky full of clouds? If you have read this chapter 2 to 3 times, you can do all the questions. See here. On Monday, the sky was full of clouds. On which day? On Monday. Just write like this. On Monday. Just write the answer like this. Okay? Now here. Second one. What happened to the grey cloud on Wednesday and Thursday? What happened to the grey cloud on Wednesday and Thursday? See here at the top. On Wednesday and Thursday, it became heavier and heavier. What became heavier and heavier? The little grey cloud. The little grey cloud. It became heavier and heavier. Here one question can be asked, that what became heavier and heavier on Wednesday and Thursday? So what you will write the answer? Little grey cloud. So what happened to the grey cloud on Wednesday and Thursday? It became heavier and heavier. So write here. It became heavy. Because we are having very little space here now. When we will write all these answers in our copy, then we will write properly. Okay? In a sentence. But here, as we are having less space, we will write like this. It became heavier and heavier. We are going to write all these question answers in copy again. But here, as we are having less space, we will write only the answer. Only up to the point. Now, third one. Who came to drink water at the lake? When the little grey cloud became heavier and heavier, it was full of water and it was too heavy. It became too heavy and it was unable to float in the air. What happened? It began to fall down. It began to fall down as rain. On Saturday, it floated into a small valley and sank into the earth. Isn't it? So what happened? Who came to drink when it became a lake, a small, cool, fresh water, a lake filled with cool, fresh water? Who came to drink water? On Sunday, a baby deer, a fluffy rabbit, and a pretty peacock came to drink water from the lake. So what we will write the answer? A baby deer, comma, a fluffy rabbit, and a pretty peacock. Only the answer, only up to the point, because there is very less space. We will write all these questions again in the copy. So, question answers of our checkpoint 1, 2, 3 completed. Now come to this section. I understand. Question number A. Fill in the blanks. You have to fill these blanks. The sky was full of what? The sky was full of the sky here. See here. On Monday, the sky was full of clouds. So here we will write clouds. The clouds were full of, now what were there in the clouds? Of course, water. Water. The lake was full of, again, the lake was also full of water, isn't it? The grey cloud began to fall down in a form of rain, and rain is also a liquid form. It is water. Now turn the page. Turn the page. Here, question section B. I understand section B. Answer these questions. Now, these questions we are not going to write here. We will discuss all these questions and you will write in the copy one by one. You will put the heading, the story of a cloud, put today's date, write classwork, and you will write one question, then answer, then again the question number 2, then answer, then again question number 3, answer, like this. But we are going to discuss all the questions here. The clouds were of 2 different colors. Name the colors. Yes, the cloud were of 2 different colors. Which were the colors? See here. Dark purple clouds, low grey clouds. So, the 2 different colors were purple and grey. The 2 different colors of clouds were purple and grey. Clear? Number 2. What was the little grey cloud scared of? What was the little grey cloud scared of? Why he was scared? He was scared of falling down. A little grey cloud was still up there. It was scared of falling down as rain. So, here we will write, the little grey cloud was scared of falling down as a rain. The little grey cloud scared of falling down as rain. Number 3. What made the little grey cloud heavier? What made the little grey cloud heavier? See here. Water from lakes and rivers went up to the sky and joined the little grey cloud. It became heavy with water. So what made the little grey cloud heavier? The water from lakes and rivers made the little grey cloud heavier. The water from lakes and rivers made the little grey cloud heavier. Okay? Number 4. On which day of the week did the little grey cloud begin to fall? On which day? See, by Friday. The little grey cloud was full of water. It was very, very, very heavy. It began to fall down. So by which day? By Friday. The little grey cloud began to fall down on Friday. The little grey cloud began to fall down on Friday. Okay, now number 5. What happened to the cloud when it reached the valley? what happened to the cloud? The cloud became very, very heavy and it began to fall down and it floated the small valley. See the picture? See the picture here? This valley, the valley means the area between two hills. So this area was filled with water. So what is the question? What happened to the cloud when it reached the valley? When the cloud reached the valley, it sank into the earth and became a lake. When the cloud reached the valley, it sank into the earth and became a lake. Okay? So, you will write all these 5 questions in your copy. This is your homework. This is your homework to write all these answers in your copy. Okay? Now come to question section C of I understand. What happened in the story on this day? Match the following. You have to match the following. Here in column A, some things are written and also in column B. You have to match column A and B. You can do number matching. You can also do draw lines. It's as you wish. Okay. Now first one, Wednesday and Thursday. The little grey cloud did not rain. No. Water from lakes and river joined the cloud. No. The cloud became heavier and heavier. Yes. Here on Wednesday and Thursday it became heavier and heavier. So number C is number 1. On Friday, what happened? On Friday, lakes joined the cloud. No, the little grey did not rain. It began to come down. Yes. It began to fall down on Friday. It began to fall down. So, number D is number 2. Now, number 3. Monday. What happened on Monday? The little grey cloud did not rain. Water from lakes and river joined the cloud. It began to come down. Baby dear. I think, yes, the little grey cloud did not rain. So here on Monday, the sky was full of clouds, dark purple clouds, low grey clouds, all full of water. So it began to rain. What happened on Monday? It began to rain. But a little grey cloud was still up there. This little grey cloud was still up there. So the little cloud did not rain. This is number 3. Saturday what happened? The cloud turned into a lake. The cloud turned into a lake. So this is number 4. Number 5, Tuesday. What happened Tuesday? Water from lakes and river joined the cloud. See here it is written. On Tuesday, the sun shone brightly. It was hot. Water from lakes and rivers went up to the sky and joined the little grey cloud. It became heavy with water. So, the water from lakes and rivers joined the little grey cloud on Tuesday. So, it will be 5. Then, Sunday, only one is left. A baby deer, fluffy rabbit and a peacock came to drink water from the lake. This is of Sunday. See here. On Sunday, a baby deer, a fluffy rabbit and a pretty peacock come to drink water from the lake. So this one is also completed. So today we have completed checkpoint 1, 2, 3. I understand section A, B and C. And B, I have discussed all the answers. And now what you have to do? You have to write all the answers in your copy with the questions. First you will write the question, then the answer. Again the question, then the answer. Again question number 3, then answer. Question number 4, answer, like this. Okay. So today up to this much, students. And in our next class, we will discuss about think and reflect, I-link and others. Okay. So till then, bye-bye.